Hey, buddy. You're pretty awesome, aren't you?
Look at the craw, right?
Yeah. Talons.
That was nice.
The water scared you?
No, it's actually his shell.
Anemone.
Anything that looks like a
You do it first.
You want to see the See?
See? Don't hurt you.
Gentle. Is he soft? Oh, look at it. Where's your crab?
See?
He's sticking to me.
Yeah.
Underwater. What's that?
That over there?
Yeah.
That's an urchin.
Am I allowed to touch it?
Maybe. Try that one.
I'm not touching it.
See? It's not gonna hurt you.
That is a pencil sea urchin.
This is very fun to touch.
Oh,
He's got that shell attached.
okay.
See, this one over here is the velvet, right here. See,
On the count of 3. 1. 1.
Get inside right now. Hold on.
Oh my God.
Whoa!
That's a message from the emergency broadcast system.
likes that fish. I do not like that fish.
Yeah, me neither. What don't you like about it?
Its eyes are so odd.
Are they?
Yeah. It can kill fishes easily.
No, what? I'm not doing anything, Juice. See?
And joining me today is Maria. Maria Molina. And also keeping an eye on me because we never go into the ocean by
Dilophosaurus. Before you ask, that's the one that sprays you. At least it's like
Is that a real dinosaur?
yeah.
Oh my god.
3個人夠。驚碌其實好靚。冇嘢睇眼啊！
There's a Triceratops. That's a Quadriceratops? Wow, a Diabloceratops. That's a new one. Never heard of that before. Here's a Diablo.
That's creepy.
Want to take a picture? I'll take a picture for you guys.
Okay. Utah raptor believes in multiple nests. Oh, look at this. I guess they couldn't afford the rest of them.
I guess it's flooded. I'm very sad about it. Flooded.
Yeah, it's okay. It's supposed to look like that. Did you have fun?
Sort of.
Sort of.
Because it was.
So here we are at Wrightsville Beach. Isn't it lovely? Oh, hi.
Can I take off my shoes?
Yes. You can take your shoes off. Ow! This is normal for North Carolina. Oh. Oh, dude. What you doing, dude?
I'm in quicksand.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, we gotta get out of the water.
Huh?
We're supposed to get out of the water. I'm gonna see if we can walk on the pier. Oh, come on. Look at that guy. I know. Yeah, lifeguard told him to leave and left, and then they all went back. You want to get under that, Jude?
I'm gonna open it.
You need to get one of those gimbals like Zorro has. It's like a handle, but it's got like a mechanical thing up here. Oh, that's cool. Look at that, that's cool.
Imagine.
Falling?
Yeah.
No. Get all the way to the end and look down and imagine falling. Barely enough room to walk.
Phải chuyển hơn tuyệt vời.
Hi.
Hi. Hey Jill, what are you doing?
Oh, what's up?
Oh, that's scary. It's always scary.
I'm flying. That's how I really get my best trick footage. They must have had something big.
Shout out to that.
So they must have had something big on this thing.
Yeah.
Is it broken?
Shout out to Creeper
I'm not telling
Girl.
you to. That's where they hang the big catches when they fish. Hey Jude, don't touch it. And you're stepping on it too. See the fish tail?
Who would do that?
Fishermen. People that are fishing. I wonder how often that gets struck by lightning. So I wonder how often that gets struck by lightning. Hopefully not right now. Stay low, Jude. Don't get up on there. Lightning. Wow, that's a cool picture.
Whoa, the storm coming.
Yeah. Oh,
He's gonna have my face.
yep, me too. And at least my GoPro is waterproof. Yeah, a little bit. So there's a light drizzle happening. We're gonna go inside now.
This is very normal.
Yeah, it's just a light mist. It's not terrible. And my wife is a little bit worried about all this drizzle.
Yeah, and it's definitely not flooding.
Hey, there's no flood because there's holes in the pier that let the water drain out. But I'm gonna go in so I can fix my hair.